Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm coming to you with another macrame project. I love macrame technique and I found it really fascinating how many different things you can make with just rope and some knowledge of knots. So yeah, if you're new to macrame, I made another video where I'm showing you basic macrame knots. I will link it up here so you can go and check it out. It will be much easier to watch this video and understand what I'm doing. So today I will be showing you super easy way to make macrame mirror. I've seen a lot of them on Pinterest a while ago, but I was looking for the right mirror to do it. And surprisingly, I found one in Poland, so it's really cheap project to do as well. And I know some of these mirrors, the macrame mirrors, can be quite pricey. I've seen some on Wayfair for around £80. Okay, so without further ado, let's start with this project. For this project, I'm using round mirror with a diameter of 25 centimeters. I found it in Poland on wedding section. I'm also using 2mm thick cotton rope. So at the beginning you have to measure the length around the mirror. Add 60 cm of the rope and cut it off. Now in about 30 cm in, I'm making slip knot. Make a loop, put your finger through the loop and pull one of the cords. Now take the longer string, put it through the loop, measure it to the same length and pull it to tighten. That way I've created a circle and 30 cm long tail on it. Now we have to add the rest of the strings to the circle. For this I'm using 60 cm long string, which I fold in half and attach to the circle using lark's head knot. I'm doing it until whole circle is filled. Once I have attached all ropes to the circle, I'm separating it into sections, each with 10 lark's head knots, which is 20 loose cords. Starting with the first section, I'm putting away first and last lark's head knot. I want to create triangle shape using square knots, so I'm taking 4 loose cords and making square knots. I'm taking another 4 loose cords and again creating square knots. Now going a bit lower, I'm taking 4 adjacent string and making another knot. So first row got 4 square knots, second row got 3 knots, and now going lower, I'm gonna make only 2 knots. To finish the triangle shape, I'm making last square knot. Now I want to frame this triangle, so for that I'm taking the spare cord and going all the way down using double half hitch knot. And I'm doing the same on the other side. To finish the whole triangle shape, tie the last 2 cords together. After I've made 2 triangle shape, I wanted to add some extra detail to it. So I've decided to make bow knot between the triangles. To do it, take 4 middle loose cords and create 3 square knots. Pull it through the hole and secure with another square knot. Repeat the process around the whole circle. To make the mirror more boho looking, I'm brushing off the loose cords. After a while, I found out that untwisting it is much easier to do. Then I brush it out and cut off the spared cord, creating nicer shape. And the last step is to attach the macrame circle to the mirror. To do it, I'm using hot glue. Some cleaning to remove fingerprints and glue, and our macrame mirror is ready. I'm really excited how it turned out. Another macrame piece to my collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you could see, it's really easy to make, but quite time consuming. I was doing mine on and off for about 2 hours, but definitely worth every minute because it looks super cute and stylish. So if you like macrame as I do, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more macrame and DIY projects. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.